The title and the theme this year was really challenging because we were talking about the digital twin, which is something which is still at its origin and promotion on the market. And obviously the answer was quite positive. Again, quite positive from those who are suggesting technologies, quite positive from those who are suggesting to combine the different technologies in order to really get the digital twin, both as far as products are concerned and as far as production lines are concerned. For instance, there were organized certain roundtables exactly on the topic of the digital twin, but those roundtables were about given industrial sectors or given industrial organizations, which is really a means to show and to prove how the new idea could become facts and reality within the working environment. The most interesting aspect and way of doing all these initiatives is that companies who are taking part in the different events, they exchange, they share their ideas, they share their problems, they share their vision and expectations in this area. Another aspect of the conference who is repeating since years is the poster awards. The quality of the work that were presented were really high, and specifically a good half of this presentation of these works were about the digital twin.